A lot of people will ask me, do I just need a fuel additive or an oil additive? The answer is to get the maximum performance, you need both. On one side, we're treating the fuel system, and we're doing two things in that. We're treating the inside, the metal, increasing the lubricity, making it more slippery, making the injectors work better, but we're also chemically altering the fuel so that it burns better. So if you're looking at what's coming out of a diesel engine as black smoke, we're chemically altering that so that it burns up, becomes a BTU. So you're getting an increase in horsepower, an increase in fuel economy on the fuel side. But then when you look at the oil side, we have gains to be made there also. By increasing the film strength of the oil so that we don't get as much blow-by, we're able to increase how much fuel economy we get. But also we're adding nanoparticles, nanocarbon, and esters in there that will lubricate the engine better, protect it, reduce the wear so it will last twice as long. You get more horsepower and better fuel economy. So really, to get the best performance, you need to treat both sides, the fuel side and the oil side,